Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn How, and in today's video I'm gonna show you that how you can download CapCut Pro version and how you can remove watermark. But before that, let me tell you that we have reached 1000 subscribers successfully. So thanks to all of you guys and keep supporting me to complete my watch time as well. So watch the video till the end because most of the people says that the video is fake because it's been trimmed. But let me tell you that we have to follow YouTube community guideline. We can't go against YouTube community guideline. So we cannot install any third-party modded app or something like this, and we cannot show it on the YouTube. It's totally against the community guidelines. So as you can see, I'm going to download the original version first. So I will let you know what's the difference between original and modded app. So you will figure it out by yourself. So watch the video till the end to know the difference, because most of you guys don't see the video till the end, and after that you can't figure it out that which features are available in the Pro version. So as you can see, the CapCut is downloaded. So let me open it and I will show it to you. So now, as you can see, if I'll click on the watermark, I can hide the watermark, but only for 1 month. I can use this feature for 1 month, and after 1 month I have to pay for the CapCut Pro. And if I will export this video, there won't be any issue with that. But I can use this feature only for 1 month. After 1 month, I need to get the Pro version. So let's say if you want to use captions, which is a Pro feature, you cannot also use the captions. Let me show you. So as you can see, I can use this feature for 1 month only. And after that, I have to go for the Pro version. Even I cannot export the videos in 4K. So now I'm going to uninstall this version and I'm going to install the Pro version. So now the Pro version has been installed. So you can see there is no watermark to remove, and I can also export the video in 4K and I can use the full bitrate and frames per second. If I will go to the captions and I will use the Pro fonts. So as you can see, there is no limit for captions now, and I can use the premium fonts of the captions as well. And I can also export the video with the premium fonts. There won't be any kind of purchase pop-up or anything like that. So all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and type done in comment, and then message me on Instagram house75222386. I will provide you the application. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.